Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw the very cool and mean looking shark from Fortnite. So here's my full pencil sketch shown in 2 speed, and then right after this I'll show you guys how to draw this line by line with a Sharpie. Alright, so let's draw this really cool looking shark, and here's my sketch underneath. And this one's got a really cool style to it. So we're going to start out by drawing the overall, almost the length of the body first. We can start in the middle. I'm going to dip this side down. So this is going to be going all the way to the tail. And then this side we'll flatten it out a little bit more. So this is going to be the tip of the shark. Okay, so once we have this shape, let's draw the upper fin. So we're going to come back to the center here. There's one curve going up. And then we're going to come down here. So we're going to draw a little line on the bottom first. Come back down. Just leave a little bit of space. We'll add a little angle right there. Alright, so now that we finished the top, let's go ahead and come back to the front here and finish up the awesome head. So we're going to start on the tip of the nose right here. We'll just curve this out. Just come down slightly. One slant. And then now we're going to draw in the mouth right here. So just come straight across. Dip down, so we're right around here. Okay, and then now on the bottom of the mouth, just come out, just stop a little bit short of this. So here's the lower jaw. Okay, so just come down again. And now I'm going to draw a line all the way to here, slanting down. Okay, so once we're here, let's go ahead and finish up this fin right here. Draw a little line. And now I'm going to come down. So let's draw one big curve. Just come back up here and just come all the way down. From here, just come across. And just close that off. Okay, so now let's come back up here and finish up the features on the face. So right around here, I'm going to come straight up. Right in the middle of this space is one little angle. And then underneath this, Here's the eyeball. And let me draw, this is gonna be kind of small, but I'm just gonna draw a little circle inside for the highlight, and I'll shade around it. Okay, and then on the back here, we'll slant this down. Come back up here, just go up, and then just kind of come across here. Alright, so a nice mean brow, and then let's for the nose right here, come out from here. Just gonna add a little egg shape here on the side. And then let's draw a little line right over it. Okay, so that's the face, and then now for the awesome looking teeth. So let's draw in some of the teeth on the bottom right here. So I'm just gonna start right in the middle. I'm gonna draw these a little bit bigger. One more on the back here. And then as we go toward the front, just gonna make it a little bit smaller. Okay, so same thing here. I'm gonna draw one teeth on the bottom. Just kind of matching this shape. And then again, as we go toward the front here, just a little bit smaller. And then for this part here, it looks like we can see part of the gum. So right in the middle of the teeth right here, I'm just gonna draw another line. It's gonna be his gum. And now for the gills, so I'm gonna come out right behind the mouth right here. I'm just gonna draw two. I know I think in the game there's three, but I'm just gonna draw two. And I'll make it a little bit thicker. Okay, so that's pretty much it for the front of the shark. And now let's come down to the, come back to the back. So I'm gonna continue this line right here. Let's pinch it in all the way to the tail right there. And then for the tail, just curve. And then on the bottom here, it's gonna be straighter and a little bit shorter as well. Now come to the center of this. Come out here, just draw one little angle. Close that off, curve, and then same thing here on the bottom. Okay, and then a few more fins right here. And then one smaller one right here. And then go up. Another small one. Alright, so that is it for this shark from Fortnite. Hope you guys liked the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.